Hey, buddy. Shouldn't steal cars is bad. It's my car, dumbass.
Hey, shut that off!
I was just trying to... my car!
Yo,
he was...
I'm working nights. Come on, dude.
That's not your car. That's
supposed to
his
know what
car.
this guy is
Oh,
doing.
God,
Doing
that's not your car.
Every day with these damn alarms.
Shut it off!
Don't make me come down there, you punk.
Hey, Gary! How you doing?
Marjorie, how are you? How's your mother?